Today, I will show you secret method for how to use Kling AI free and unlimited with your own only one Gmail account. And also show you to remove watermark. If you want unlimited credits and fast generation in Kling AI, tired of using temporary emails that are already registered, you've come to the right place. I'll show you how to get unlimited free credits, fast generation speeds, and remove watermark strategy. Just watch the video till the end. I will show everything in detail and step by step. And before start, I want to request you to give a like, comment and share my video if you find my video helpful. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Firstly, come to Kling AI. First you need to sign up with your Gmail account. For this I recommend using a secondary Gmail account, not your primary Gmail account. Click on Create button from home page will redirect you to main page. Then click on Sign In button will redirect you to Sign In page of Kling AI. Now click on Sign In with email button will take you to Sign Up option. Click to sign up for free button. Now go to your secondary Gmail address and copy your email address, and then come back to Kling AI sign up page and then paste your email address. Then type a hard password and then type that password again to confirm password box and click Next button. Here I am showing you create your first Kling account, and next I will show you how you can create up to 16,000 Kling account with this single Gmail account to get unlimited credits, and that will completely free. Stay connected. You will find a verification code in your email address. Copy that code and come back to Kling and paste that copied code to this verification code box and click on Sign In will come to Kling AI backend to create your AI images and AI videos. You will see Kling AI provide you 166 credits for new account. Congrats, you successfully create your first account. Now you can use this credits to make anything you want. From effects section you can make any instant film, anime figure, hug, kiss, fight, hand heart, bloom bloom, dizzy dizzy, fuzzy fuzzy, whatever you want. Let's create a boom boom AI video. Select boom boom effect and then upload any image you want. When upload will be completed, just click on generate button. It will take only 20 credits to generate, and this generation will be fastest because it's a new account. But in this way, our credits will be finished soon, so come to this site. I will give the link in description. Copy your email address and paste to this box and click generate variation button will instantly generate thousands of variation of your Gmail address. You can now use all these email address to create unlimited Kling accounts. To save this email address for future use, copy and paste to Notepad. Okay? In my case, I got 16,000 plus emails. It varied depending on your Gmail address. Now let's create a new Kling account with one of this email address. Copy any address and go to incognito window. And visit Kling AI with incognito mode. Come to sign up page again. And copy any generated email and paste it to email address box and then type password and process as like before. After clicking next button, you will see a new verification code to your inbox of that same email address you used earlier. Copy and paste that code and then clicking next will redirect you to your new Kling AI account, and you will see 166 credits are given as before as a new account. Now you can again use it in same way for generating your AI images and AI videos. Now coming back to my first account, see the result generated very firstly, let's see it. This generation was incredible, but there is a problem that there will be a watermark when we will download it. I will show you the strategy to remove watermark. Stay connected. Now let's create another Kling account with our generated email address to prove if this strategy works or not. If you find my video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Now copied another email address, form generated variations, and going to incognito window and signing out from existing account. Now let's create new Kling account with that copied email for getting 166 credits again in Kling AI. Do the same registration process as before and you will see another verification code will come to your email address. Verify with that verification code same way. See, here is new verification code come to create new account, let's do it. Yes, we have successfully created our third Kling account. In this way you can create unlimited Kling AI account to get unlimited credits for 100% free. If it works for you, please comment, it works. Now coming back to my first account and download that generated video and opening it. See, this video have a watermark. Now, I will show you how to remove watermark from this video. To remove watermark we can use any watermark remover tool, but those tools are not given best result, so we will come to Clipchamp. Don't worry, I will put all necessary links in description. To easy use, sign in with your Google account. Now, click on Create a new video button, and then import that downloaded video. When upload will be completed, drag the video into timeline. After placing it to screen, drag your video till the Kling AI logo completely hide. When complete, click on Export button and export your video into 1080p. So in this way you can remove watermark as well as export your video into high quality HD video. This process will take few minutes and you will all set. So, I believe, you can now create your unlimited Kling AI account to get unlimited credits, fast generation and will able to remove watermark. If my video helps, please like, comment and share. See, there is no watermark in this video. So, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.